Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here, Zone 78, Niagara-on-the-Lake. Just giving you a seedling update from my last video. We have some hybrid tequilas here growing in. We've got buckets and buckets full. Obviously you've seen that we have some seeds that are going to be harvested in the next few weeks here in Niagara-on-the-Lake that I'll be ready to ship out for anyone that wants them. These are a sea of seedlings here that we will be using for sale next spring or shipped off in the spring months, or maybe even late fall if you're up for it. However, I do not ship anything in the winter months. Of course, we have some more seedlings here in buckets. We've got some 3 gallons. We have some 7s. We have some a couple of 30s left over, as you can see right here, and some 15-gallon sizes in the back. So a lot of windmills to go. Agaves, more seedlings. Lots of agaves. We have an agave factory going on right here, and of course some crepe myrtles and what have you. But anyhow, that's it for seedlings right now, and we'll keep you posted if anything. But like I said before, lots of volunteers. They seem to sprout no matter where you look. Wherever you look around, there's going to be some more volunteers sort of randomly happening here and there. So yeah, any questions, let me know.